Hello everyone, welcome to the Minecraft tutorial thing. Today I'm going to show you how to make some furnaces and also other stuff, which will probably be torches. So first, let's do this furnace thing. Alright, we are doing the furnace, so wait a second. Alright, I went to creative and grabbed a iron pickaxe from the creative things, the creative item thing getter, whatever it is. So let's go to the cave area. Put a villager here. We'll put a village here. So you want to get 8 pieces of cobblestone. Right. We got 8 pieces of cobblestone. Now we can make a furnace. So going on here. Make a furnace now. So now that you have this can only work if you have a crafting table. It cannot work using over here. That will not work. So what you want to do is then do this. I think I can do a tiny strategy here. So like this. See the arrow that leads to this? You want to get that. So we have our furnace now. So basically what a furnace does is it will, so for example, let's say I killed 2 pigs or 1 pig. And I went over to my furnace. No, not the mutton. And then used this to, so here's a little guide for the furnace. Over on the top is to cook. Over here is where your fuel will be. You want this as where you want it, is the thing you want to cook. So here's something in short. The top is what you want to cook, and the bottom is what it's gonna cook. What will make it cook. You just gotta wait a few seconds. If you are lucky enough to know how to craft a smoker, you can put this. It crafts more faster. more faster. So and then I cooked. So, and I was running on the 100, so. And that's basically what the furnace does. Let me. Alright. No, wait. Alright, sorry for the inconvenience, everyone. Alright, so onto the charcoal and coal torches. Let me go to survival real quick. Alright. So we want to make a axe. Or in this case, if you're new, you can have no axe. Shush. Yes, I have a friend over in my house. Yes, okay, so I'm creative. She really doesn't want to get out of the room, so she'll be inside making noise. No, wait. I just set it to survival. Alright. Anyways, onto the charcoal. Get any type of wood. In this case, if you were new, you could use no wax at all. It would probably take about a few seconds. No, wait. Why am I in creative? Survival. Default. Okay. This will probably take about a few seconds, but with an iron axe, it'll take about probably a bit of seconds. Takes 1 second. So we're going to have to. You wouldn't like trees being all over your house. You wouldn't like floating trees all over your house, so I just take all of the wood. So first, the most efficient way is doing this. You want to make oak planks. So these will be a main part of these things. And then we want to make and then we want to actually make more, but not oak planks. Instead, it's logs. So take all this. And go back to your base. or house, whatever you'd like to call it, really. And then go back to your base. And then you'd want to anyways, you want to probably go inside the blast furnace instead, or the smoker. Maybe the smoker. Nope. Maybe possibly we can just make. Maybe simply we can make furnace instead. So, no, default, creative. Probably want an actual. I think you'd want a normal furnace also at this point. So, survival. Alright. Now, I want to put this over here, then over here. Then it crafts itself to make charcoal. Then you want to go back to your crafting table. Oh no. Then make a bunch of this. This arrow leads to here, which is a way to make the charcoal torch. Well, I'll be pausing this. The coal torch. So like normally you want to go to your oak trees and get those, but instead you want to make sticks and no oak logs instead. So get these. This will give you coal. These are one of the few ores that will give you like the stone ore. So these are one of the coal is one of the few ores that gets that doesn't get the ore itself. Instead, it just makes coal. So you want to do this, then do this. See? Another way to do this is also to go over here, and then that's another way. So the use of these torches are to mainly just see what you're doing. So if I were to place a torch over here, it would be more lighter. Would have more light to it. I could have minded that spot, but I didn't even see it. So that is all for today. I think tomorrow I'll be doing a bit more. So, if you want to see more of this, then likely the chance you'll probably want to, or less likely the chance. I think I won't be posting, even though I'm not gonna do like begging or whatever. I'm just some random guy on YouTube. You can like whenever you want, alright? Alright. I'm not like begging. You can like whenever you want, subscribe whenever you want. I'm not the type of guy that just controls you, alright? Just do whatever you want. Just do whatever you want. I'm not trying to command you or anything, but just do whatever. You can like, you can subscribe, you can honestly do anything. So, or maybe we can talk a bit. If you wanna talk and stuff, we could chat on Roblox. My name's ThatBoardGamer10. And see you later.